Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay. And in this video, I will show you important things you need to pay proper attention to avoid costly mistakes that might make you lose money in your Alipay account. Quite a lot number of people are not aware of this, and someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, and I decided to make a video about it so it helped a lot of people. So if you are watching this video right now and you have other people that are using Alipay, consider to share this video to them. Like this video, and if you have any question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp about an Alipay concern, and I decided to make a video about it. So take a look at this person's right here. Now this is where the problem began. So this person here has an Alipay account, but unfortunately they forgot their payment password and they just make a transfer into that account. And another issue here arises. So here, please sir, I need your help about the audio note. I'm trying to do it, but my international passport has expired. This is another issue right here. What actually happened here is that they forgot the payment password in Alipay, and this is a serious issue. Then they stated further that, please sir, I need your help. I'm trying to do it, but my passport has expired. This is another issue right here, because my response was that you will have to reset your payment password. And as a result of that, they were unable to do it. And they go ahead and ask me further question. So here, let's listen to the another voice note right here. Now, here is my response right here. It is actually not possible. Okay, you cannot refund money back without enter your authorization payment password. And that is the work of payment password. And unfortunately, the amount that got trapped in this Alipay account is 760 yuan, which is quite a lot. And one thing here is that the money, it does not belong to this particular person here. It is someone else's money. You can imagine that. And the money has been trapped. So the only way now here is that they need to make sure that they fix the passport and make sure renew their passport and apply for reset of a payment password. Without with the international passport, there is no way this person can get the money out right here. So what I want to state in essence here is that whenever you are creating your Alipay account and you create your payment password, make sure you write it somewhere. So in case you forgot, just like what happened to this person's right here, because if you forgot the payment password, even a reset of payment password does not guarantee you having access to the fund that you have in the account, because of the fact that in some cases, if you try to reset your payment password, even with your international passport, Alipay might think that you are working on a stolen account and the account might be restricted as a result of that. So all in all, make sure you write your payment password somewhere you will never forget to avoid a costly mistake like this. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as Alipay tutorial topic is concerned. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you have any issue with your Alipay account or you want to know more about Alipay account, you can as well reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.